Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss the Marquee widget within Realtime Wallboards. We'll start with a fresh wallboard here. Let's label it Marquee widget. Click Apply, and then on the right hand side, select Marquee. Select Marquee widget here in the top, and then of course, notice a few things. First, I have a title. Let's call this title, and it's going to reflect the title across. Now, my personal opinion, the Marquee widget doesn't need a title, so I can just go ahead and remove it by clicking the header button off. That is definitely an aesthetic choice if you want to keep it there or not. That's up to you. I'm going to put in a value though. Let's do inbound. Call count. That sounds good. I'll do one more here as well. We'll do inbound talking duration. That, perfect. Okay, so I got a couple of values here. I have a 0 and a 1. Those are the values in question. So they're just there, they're values. There's not really any context to those, which is fine. I can add that in naturally. So we'll do inbound call count. And then for this one, I'll do inbound call duration. Okay, and then it's going to reflect across here on the Marquee widget, allowing me to have text and values scroll across my wallboard just like that. Okay, I can add as many values to this as I want to, no problem. Now, as far as design is concerned, this is pretty basic. I'm going to remove the title header here, and I'm going to go here to design. First thing I might want to do here, just for the sake of this widget specifically, is go down here to the background color for the container. I want this to be transparent. I don't want a background. I want to be able to move this around and just kind of have this free-floating text on my screen. So think about like a wallboard display, right? It's going to be free-floating text. I'll go across just like that. Again, that's an aesthetic choice. With that, I'm not going to need a border radius, but I can add a border radius to that as needed. Same thing with the border style and a border color. So there's no background, so I don't need a border. If I want to put a separator image in here, I can do that. So if I want to put a file in here to separate the images, you can do that, like your logo. So I want to put a Xima ball in there and have it say Xima and go across the screen as well. I can do that. Change the font color. We'll do that really quickly. I can show that in real time. This purplish fuchsia color is what I chose here. Make this a little bit bigger. I'll do extra large text so I can see it across the call center. Change the font that I want. So it's Roboto right now, which is the default, but there are other options from the drop down here. And then, of course, the background color of the header, if there is one, which I have opted not have a header, but just to show you. Okay, I can put a header in there. I'm going to remove that though. Okay, so just like that, that is how you set up and customize a Marquee widget.